welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Definitely subscribe for good vibes. Today we're going to review the June Curlbox. We have it right here. And this month it's featuring ORS. I don't know if these products are new products. This is the card that came with the Curlbox. And this is the insert showing the products that we received. Let's get into the products. We're going to start off with this Scalp Rescuing Detox Shampoo. This is a sulfate-free shampoo. Scalp Rescuing Detox Mask. The Coconut Oil and Baobab Anti-Breakage Conditioning Cream. The Coconut Oil Vital Oils. That's what this looks like. And then last but not least, this is a Scalp Rescuing Detox and Renew Concentrate. I'll let you guys know kind of what's in them and the key ingredients. Of course, you know I don't go into details with ingredients, but I'll give you the key highlights, girl. I'll give you that, though. Okay, so we're going to start off with this shampoo, and it says it has Rose Clay Active Aloe PE15 Bio Complex. Looking at the ingredients, there's a lot of ingredients on here that are like those long words that I can't pronounce before you even get to what they say, like as far as the clay and aloe. So there's about 10 ingredients that are in there before that. I don't know what those are, but towards the middle is when you get to like the clay and stuff, and it looks like it needs to be kind of shaken a little bit. I don't know, but let's get into it. So it has a nice pearly looking color. Oh, it has a nice peppermint smell. I do like when peppermint is in my shampoo because it makes my scalp feel so good. As y'all can see, that lathered up right away, so I like that. It feels okay, like a typical shampoo. The last ORS shampoo I used was the olive oil one, and that one is pretty clarifying for me, so we'll see. I didn't even have to put more shampoo in my hand, and it's already like this section is covered. So definitely use a little bit. A little goes a long way with this. You don't need a lot. Okay, y'all, we all sudsed up. Let's rinse this out and see how my hair feels and looks. Scalp is looking pretty good and clean, but my hair isn't as clarified as I thought it was going to be. So this one is clarifying, but it's not as clarifying as the original olive oil one. Okay, let's see if we can get some moisture back into our hair with this Scalp Rescuing Detox Mask. Now this says it's a detox mask, so it may not be hella moisturizing, but we'll see. This also says that it has the Rose Clay and Aloe and PE15 Bio Complex, whatever that is, good. It also says that it has the clay and the charcoal in it, about 10 ingredients or so down. This also says it can be used as a pre or post shampoo, so you can use it before you shampoo your hair as a pre-poo. I'm hoping it's moisturizing enough that I don't have to follow up with another deep conditioner. This is what it looks like. Pretty creamy. Definitely that pepperminty smell is in there strong, which I don't mind. It's creamy, but it's like thick, so it's not a super smooth application. Actually, there's no slip in this, so this is not one that you're gonna go in and detangle with. I don't know, y'all, like putting it on, I don't know. I'm not feeling like this is going to be moisturizing. I don't know. You know how you can kind of tell with a lot of deep conditioners if it's going to be moisturizing? I don't know. So I've got it all through my hair. That's what it's looking like. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that up and put the rest of it throughout my hair. Okay, so my hair definitely, it feels soft, but I can tell it's going to dry out super duper quick. So that's not a deep conditioner that I would use for moisture. My hair feels clean, it feels soft, but Girl, this would be a dry bush in 2.25 seconds. So as far as a deep conditioner, no ma'am. Okay, so the next product we have is this Scalp Rescuing Detox Renew Concentrate. So from looking at the box, it says that it's a high performance hair and scalp fix inspired by skincare. Advanced leave-in treatment formulated to detoxify the scalp from pore clogging impurities, calm irritation, and protect against dryness and promote an optimal environment for hair to thrive. And it says on the directions to shake well before use. Part hair apply to small sections to the scalp, and massage on the scalp for even distribution, and do not rinse out. And it says tip can be used as a pre-poo scalp treatment. Yeah, super strong peppermint smell, which I like, so I'm sure it's gonna make my scalp tingly. But y'all know what? I do not like dropper bottles. Like, give it to me in a bottle with a nozzle like this. Like, I can't keep dip. Like, no, girl, come on. Ain't nobody got time for that. These ain't eye drops. Okay, you guys, so I can tell just from me taking the time to put in that scalp treatment, which really feels good on my scalp. The applicator bottle is just trash. Like, I do not like the dropper bottles at all. But I like the way it feels on my scalp, nice and tingly. So I need to go in quick with this leave-in because, or this conditioning cream, because my hair just feels like it's getting dry already. So I got my trusty water bottle that I love so much. And we're going to go in with this coconut oil and baobab anti-breakage conditioning cream. It says use daily or as often as needed. Apply small amount to hair and scalp and massage. Comb through for even distribution from root to end. And may also be applied directly for ends for added protection. So this is what it looks like. It's creamy, pretty smooth. Smells pretty good. So I definitely need to get this in my hair so we can get some moisture popping, okay? We're also going to go ahead and top that off with this oil. And since it did not come with a styler, I'm going to go ahead and use this ORS Hold and Shine Wrap Set Mousse. I'm going to try to be light-handed with this leave-in because y'all know how I can go crazy, but today we're going to do a rod set. I haven't done just a regular perm rod set in quite a while, so we're just going to go ahead and do that. This is actually pretty thick, so this is going to need some water. I can tell you that right now. It's like it does not want to get on my ends. I'm going to go ahead and spray some water on it to help it kind of distribute a little better because it's super thick. Like the texture of it, because the texture of it isn't thick, but when you put it on your hair, it's like not very spreadable, if that makes sense. Yeah, the water is definitely helping to spread it out some. Okay, you guys, so I have the leave-in all applied to my hair. I would definitely say if you're using that leave-in, spray your hair with water first and then apply the leave-in instead of applying the leave-in first and spraying it with water. So when I started to spray my hair first and then put the leave-in on, it did help it distribute a lot better and a lot easier, even though I still didn't really care for the application of it. But since this mousse is not a part of the box, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap my hair up or roll my hair up and come back when it's dry and let y'all know how I feel about each of the products. Okay, you guys, so I am back and this is how my hair turned out. So let me jump into how I feel about the products that came in the Curlbox. So first I'm going to start off with the shampoo. The shampoo was okay. It was like a nice clarifying shampoo, not too stripping. So if you're looking for a clarifying shampoo, this one wasn't bad. A little bit of it goes a super long way. Like you literally need a little bit of it. So the shampoo wasn't bad. Moving on to the Detox mask. I didn't like this as a deep conditioner at all. It says you can use it for a pre-poo, but even with that, like, it didn't have any slip or detangling properties in there for you to be able to detangle your hair in pre-poo. So I personally wouldn't use it for that either. So I mean, if you can use it for a deep conditioner, and I wouldn't use it for a pre-poo, I mean, it's trash. So this was a no ma'am for me. I would not recommend or use this or repurchase or any of that. Next was the anti-breakage conditioning cream. This was just okay. I did not like the application of it at all. When you put it in your hair, it just kind of stays where it's at. It doesn't distribute very well. It doesn't have any slip or anything like that to like really just work it through your hair. You have to like add water to your hair first and then put it on. It was just okay. It's not something that I could see myself reaching for or really wanting to go back to. I can say that my hair does not feel dry though. It does feel like, you know, it has some decent moisture, but not enough moisture that I would say it would last throughout the week. But my hair doesn't feel dry now. I can see this lasting a few days with some moisture, but it was just okay. Yeah. Next was this Vital Oils coconut oil and baobab oil. The oil was okay. When I was using it to roll my hair up, it did feel kind of lightweight, but as I was taking it down, I really felt the oil on my hair. So it kind of sits on top of your hair. It doesn't necessarily penetrate. I don't know if I would use it again to include in rolling my hair, but I think it did assist with locking in the moisture of the leave-in cream because it's not that moisturizing. So I think this helped kind of lock in the moisture, but I don't feel like this will be lasting moisture. Lastly was this Detox Renew scalp treatment thing. It was okay. I do not like the dropper bottle, which I said in the video. Give it to me with a nozzle so I can easily apply it to my scalp. I did like the tingly feeling that it gave. My scalp doesn't feel itchy. It was okay. I would finish the bottle. I would probably use this when I just have twists in my hair and I just want to kind of moisturize my hair and give it some stimulation with that pepperminty feeling, but it's not something that I would repurchase. So that is how I feel about the Curlbox. It was, okay, everything was just like okay, except the mask. That was just complete trash, like girl, bye. But that's how I feel about the Curlbox for June, and I will see you guys next month when we review the Curlbox for July, and of course I'll see you in my next video. Bye.